If you want to change wallpaper in the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here, let's go to wallpaper and style and then select change wallpapers. Now over here, of course, we have some example wallpapers that we can use. You can also press get more wallpapers in order to find more of them, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And for example, I'm gonna choose this wallpaper over here, so I can tap on it. And then we have the option to choose for lock screen or home screen or both. So if you want to change only for the lock screen, then make sure that only lock screen is selected and then press next. And now we can, of course, in some cases we can make some additional adjustments by repositioning the wallpaper, by zooming in and zooming out. And then there are also some additional effects that we can apply at the bottom, but not in this case, unfortunately. Once you are done with the setup, press done in the top right corner, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!